Welcome to this video on Talend, brought to you by Hope Infotech. What is Talend? It's a powerful data integration and management platform that helps organizations connect, transform, and manage data efficiently across systems. Learning Talend offers high-demand career opportunities in data engineering, analytics, and enterprise integration. Why choose Talend? For its easy integration, simplifying complex data workflows with built-in connectors and drag-and-drop features. Furthermore, it offers excellent career growth, opening doors to roles like data engineer and ETL developer. Key features include cloud integration, robust data quality tools, real-time processing, API connectivity, and strong big data support. Talend enables faster development and efficient handling of large, complex data sets. The benefits of using Talend include cost efficiency, faster deployment, and high scalability. It helps achieve better insights and process automation, improving productivity and fostering data-driven decision-making. Talend skills are crucial for roles such as data engineer, who designs and manages data integration pipelines. ETL developers create efficient data workflows, while data analysts leverage Talend for data preparation and meaningful insights. While challenges like data complexity and integration issues exist, Talend provides solutions. Structured tools simplify complex data management, smart connectors overcome integration delays, and data governance tools ensure accuracy and consistency. In conclusion, Talend is a leading data integration platform that simplifies complex workflows with advanced ETL capabilities. It supports diverse environments, ensuring data quality and security, making it essential for data-driven growth. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website, call the provided number, or send us an email.